I was born and raised here. West Michigan, in my personal opinion, is one of the most beautiful places in the world. Worst thing we can do is send a crew out there without having the right tools. Each crew that leaves here is going out with every single thing that they need to complete that job. Safety is our number one priority. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that each and every single one of our guys gets home safely to their families. Going over that every Wednesday, it gives guys insight into something they may not have known with the safety measures and standards we have here at Hollandia.
At the end of the day, our clients are everything. We're performing for them. When we made the switch to Wright, we tested everything on the market. Having a mower that's running as much as ours do, that lasts that long, is pretty incredible.
This new Vanguard EFI, I've personally been on it. It runs so much better. It's almost like it's a completely different platform. It's less maintenance, it's less turnaround, it's phenomenal.
From a maintenance perspective, Woodland has been fantastic. Having great partners like that makes our job so much easier.